Busia soroboti ronde eskuru ya secondary ya highway na bubono bararigwe koba abanyankongo bechigo sori cy'umupira bwa magoro hase orogongo rwa Nairobi na sebono baina chire tiketi go chigosoa hase chigosori cha nationals maiga yoko yikora eskuru ya Upper Hill chigori inye ase isato wetera senchera yechi penalty maiga yegosori yo koera makari yogo tanyonsania egori neba ni gobono chigosori cha nationals cyo chira chiekonekiwa umwako yega chira korekana somo chi otika ime county ya Kiambu gochakira chitariki 25 na isato chomotinyo iga muri kito Daniel Omwaga na mange
omogoko echengo amonetengo nigo yanali eskuru ya Jamhuri High School magaga eskuru ya Highway Secondary kwenye titora eskuru ya Upper Hill gweterenchera yechi penalty magaga yagosori yejuye finali umupira bwenko yechi secondary yorogongo rwa Nairobi kwera makari gotanyonsani goli ende yonsi yagosori yabwate liberali nene na yarenge ntindikerage kokwana negeteseni again Soko TV AMA sayemo kurega serekyo omworoki abwe timu eyo ningobona abekretene ninga eganga yabe nene gochia kubwege kombe yechigosori ya Afrika ya mocha.
Kwa majina naitwa Duncan Mwaura, a teacher at Highway and a coach for National Under 23 Deaf team. Nimesema the game has been well. Tumejaribu na kiona jana the weather was a bit wet. Tulijaribu, we created more chances than today. And we said today we'll come and try. We have a tall target. Our target is to bring home the East African Trophy, which is in Morogoro. Still, we have a lot to do, and we are going to do that. And we promise the people here.
Umarendia goli ibwe skuru ya Highway oyonere bworoke umanyi bwaye bwe igoromono bugosame mupira mubwekano bweke baki mutansuru nigonere amwakire nyasaye mbuya mono na kulie ira yo gocha kuendera gukora buya.
Game yenye tumecheza imekuwa poa, tough kiasi, lakini tumemanage kuimaji winners. Nashukuru God. Tupatane nationals. Jana usiku ni kama nilikuwa nimeota atapiga hiyo side na niliota tu hiyo. Ikaenda hiyo na Mungu tu amenionekania. Kupeleka shule nationals grade 10.
Bono aboroki abeskuru eyo nigobeso kiri maisomarore na kobatogi aboroki wababo aso kworoki gosori enkononoku na konyetitora eskuru ya Upper Hill asebono baenekiri okwegena kwababuna goikabake bwege kombe keria ya Afrika ya mocha na kwenekibuna omokiyabo bwa mwegerio noro batonononirie egoika asekerenge kyo.
Smairi, a teacher at Highway. I'm a sports person and I'm grateful for today. It's been a long journey, but Highway are champions. And we are looking forward. This year, we are aiming to go to Morogoro in Tanzania, where we were aiming to get our Fiestas trophy back to the country. Today, the boys displayed a very good game. We are going to correct one or two things, and we are looking forward for a better game, come at the nationals and experience good football made in Highway.
Njasa Marieta, Ngoro Freda Boga, team manager, Highway Secondary School. Mupira tuachesire jana mupira opera mkongo wake lakini twaratemire. We have been doing preparations. We expected some sub competition, so we expected some tough competition from Upper Hill. They have really come forward, but still our boys were also good as well. That's why we are able to emerge winners. Yes.
Aboroki bwa korwe skuru ya Jamhuri High School yareganete chigosori echo nigobono banyatogire skuru ya Highway asobo buyobwo na kobaganiryo bobui asekerengo keria agechi nationals.
Majina ni Alvin Mtua, Jamhuri High School from 3 Oxford. The game was nice. Tulikuwa expect Highway tashinda and it has made us proud. Yeah. Wish them all the best. They perform poa. Pia wakienda huko na shop pia tunawasupport.
Bono yabeire bene inge skuru ya Highway Secondary School korumbara marine parene ya Mombasa Road na babwi bege kombe ekichi skuru yechi secondary umupira bwenkoyoge myochio Nairobi asebono baochi kwakirisha county ya Nairobi asechigoso yechi nationals echira connect utakira chitariki 27 chimotinyo iga ese county mbarambare county ya Kiambu asebono amaisonsi kurese county yiga aregeti skuru ye ekera 18 manyangongo bande bune skuru area ya Kakamega High School Kene mo na the Green Commandos kurese Area Western aboigo eskuru area ya St Mary's yala kuyoro gongoro lya Rwa Nyanza ine eskuru eye inse yabakocha babo bawechiete nkuma nechiko gendera kulikia mugano na kwimukia gekombe egie national sime yense ya Kenya anene ekereganga yabo no gochia kuna chire tigiti chikose cha Africa ya mochago se East Africa Ingeripoteria egeteseni igien Soko TV chikose n'abanyangongo korugaiga asegesero ogia Jamhuri High School mbarambare no mochio Nairobi eretari anegon kwa Daniel Omwaga.